today's video is gonna be me doing something that I don't usually do. I usually don't review. Do I review products? No, I don't think I really do that much. If so, not often. Today's video is gonna be something a little different. I'm gonna be reviewing Dollar Tree's Pro Tools My Beauty Spot Jade Roller, and this is it right here. Period. So before we get into this video, I need for you guys to do me a big solid favor. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you ain't gonna do anything, subscribe to your girl, okay? Secondly, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Be creative. All suggestions are welcome. You turn on that post notification button so you're notified every time I post. Thumbs this video up if you like it, and let's just get into the video. So right now you see a clip of after the fact that I used the roller. So after this intro, you're gonna see a clip of me using the roller. So let me just show you my face, right? This is my face the next day. Testing this Jade roller, beauty roller, whatever you guys call it. Testing this Dollar Tree Jade roller on my face. So I see a lot of people use this, and me, my face is kind of fat. So not even kinda, it is. So I want to use this on my face to see if it it's not gonna make me, I don't think it's gonna shrink, you know, the fat on my face, but it's like gonna, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I just want to see what it does for my face. So this is how it looks, period. And it says Pro Tools by My Beauty Spot Jade Roller, and it says improves blood circulation, elasticity, and even skin tone. Your girl need that. Reduces puffiness and wrinkles. I definitely need that. Reveals skin's natural radiance. Tighten, soothes, and minimize skin's pores. I need that because my pores are kind of like big, you know what I'm saying? Well, it's supposed to be, you know, capable of doing all these things. So basically the instructions is you just put like a product of your choice that like will make this glide. Note, though the stone is cold, to intensify the experience, cool the stone in the freezer or on ice. Once applied to seeing the stone's temperature drop will stimulate circulation, ridding the body of harmful toxins and stimulating collagen production. Whoa, dude, sounds so promising. I don't know if I should like put this in the freezer first and then come back and do it. Then let's say we just gonna try the roller itself for what it truly is alone. Okay, it's supposed to take like an oil or serum or whatever gel, facial gel of your choice, and put that on your face and roll the roller on your face. Oh my gosh, y'all, this feels so good in my hands. Like, it's so small and cute. Like, do y'all see this? And it had like different colors. You could choose the color you want, and this is the color I chose. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Put a few drops of some facial serum on my face. Oh, this stuff just dropping everywhere. Put a few drops of facial serum. Well, this roller, I ain't even gonna lie to you, this roller is cold by itself. So I don't know, you supposed to like roll it like this, like in the direction you want your face to like get toned in. I don't know if my eye look different. I don't know why, but it look less darker. It could be me, I could be tweaking, I don't know. So this is how my face looks after using it. First of all, don't mind the little hairs that it got around. So I really like it. It feels like it's so compact and small. I really like it personally. I say it's worth your dollar. Y'all definitely said it's worth your dollar. So definitely, if you see this at your Dollar Tree, go ahead and buy it, girl. Over time, I'm gonna see how I like it, keep using it. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually gonna put it in the freezer the next time I use it and see how I like it. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs it up. Comment down below what you want to see next, and please make sure you subscribe. Until next time, pretty gang. Peace.